It is summertime, which means it is time to get outside and enjoy that hot weather with a cold treat. And since farmers markets are buzzing right now, head to a farmer's market, get yourself a fresh, delicious watermelon so you can make these watermelon slushies. I'm Juli Bauer Roth, the food, fitness, and lifestyle blogger behind PaleoMG. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share my favorite food, workout, and wellness tips to help you live your best damn life. Today, we're making watermelon slushies, okay? Ooh, that was cold. Too big of a bite. Watermelon slushies are so easy, okay? This is the easiest dessert that you could make, and it's going to be incredibly healthy. So instead of going to the little slushy stand, you know, a little 7-Eleven, just make this at home. And all you need is 4 ingredients. It's crazy easy, super quick, and you and your kids are going to love it. Let's make it. Let's make these watermelon slushies. They're crazy easy, okay? Are you pumped for this? I hope you are. You can make these without any alcohol, which is how I'd make them because I don't really like the taste of alcohol, but if you want to dress them up, if you want to adult them up, you can add some alcohol as well. All you're gonna need is 4 cups of frozen watermelon. So I just had some watermelon left over. I just froze it, we're ready to go. It's gonna give that nice slushy texture. Then I'm gonna add about 12 ounces of sparkling water. I just have some club soda that I'm gonna use. Oh gosh, doggy. Okay, I'm gonna add 12 ounces of that. And I can just keep an eye in my blender. Perfect. And then I'm gonna add, just a little wet over here. Ooh. Then I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of honey or agave. People are super against agave, and I'm just not. You know, just use it sparingly, but you could use honey or even maple syrup if you want. There we go. Now all we gotta do is blend it up. Now all we gotta do is add the slushy to a cup. That's it. That's how easy it is. I added seedless watermelon, a little bit of sparkling water, a little bit of honey, and that's it. I forgot lime. And here's the thing, I kind of forgot an ingredient. I got so excited, made it super easy, and it's delicious as is, but you know, it needs a little tang to it. We gotta add some lime juice. So I'm gonna squeeze a lime right on top. It's so good, so easy, so refreshing. This is the perfect summer frozen treat, I swear. And it's healthy. You have to try this. It is the best. And then you have to tell me what you think. But before you do, how about you let me know? Do you have a favorite frozen treat that you like during the summer? Is it just the ice cream truck, or do you actually like to make something? Share it in the comment section below. If you want the recipe to this little watermelon slushie, an actual recipe so you don't mess it up like I do, head to the description below. I have it on paleomg.com. And if you enjoyed this little summer treat, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I have a few more videos I think you're gonna like, so stay tuned for those.